Okay, we're back. Let's see. If you were on here earlier, I was having a bad connection, so I jumped off and I'm back on, ready to go. See if the connection is better now. Give me some hearts. Let me know that the connection is better and that you are ready to join me for the workout. So let's see some hearts, guys. We're going to spend the next 4 minutes on a core blasting workout, okay? All it takes is 4 minutes to get your core burning, trust me. So we're gonna do some Tabatas. Let me know if you guys have heard of those before. Tabatas is a 4-minute workout. It consists of 8 rounds of 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. So it's interval style. You're gonna work as intensely as you can for that 20 seconds. You have 10 seconds to recover to begin again on that intense 20 seconds. We're going to alternate between 2 moves. So these are 2 core blasting moves. The first one is called a good morning. If you notice in the title, I've called this Good Morning Bird Dog. That is on purpose because that's the name of both of the moves we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing good mornings and we're going to be doing bird dogs. So a good morning. If you've never done one before, let me turn the music down. Okay, a good morning. You're going to stand with your feet underneath your hips, and I want you to focus on hinging at your hips, okay? So I'm not squatting, I'm not bending my knees, I'm hinging at my hips, sending my butt back, keeping my head neutral as I come down. So it helps if you put your arms to the side of your head, and I want you to notice that my back is flat. And from here, I'm going to squeeze my hamstrings and my glutes to come back up. And I'm going to squeeze my butt at the top. Okay, this works our whole posterior chain, which is part of our core. The second move is called a V-tuck. We're doing bird dogs. So your bird dog is going to be down on the ground, on your hands and knees. And then from there, let's see if I can get in the shot here. You're going to raise your right arm, left leg. So opposite leg, opposite arm. And squeeze at the top of that. I want you to stay in a plank position. Don't let your back arch. So those are our 2 movements. 20 seconds of good mornings, 10 seconds of rest, 20 seconds of bird dogs. And then we're just going to alternate between those 2 for 8 rounds, or a total of 4 minutes. So I'm going to turn up the music. I'm going to get my timer going. Let me know if any of you guys are going to join in with me. Show me, give me some hearts if you guys are going to join in this workout with me. Okay, turning up the music. Timer's going. We got 10 seconds, starting with good mornings. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Remember to keep that back flat. You can slightly bend your knees. You want soft knees. You don't want to lock them out. Squeeze your butt at the top. Okay, rest. Get ready for bird dogs. And go. And rest. Back to good mornings. Let me know, is anybody doing this with me? You guys just watching. Here we go. And rest. Back to the floor for bird dogs. Go. All right. Halfway through, guys. Back to good mornings. Here we go. Go. Are you guys making me do this by myself? Rest. Back to bird dogs. Here we go. And go. Remember to squeeze your glutes at the top. Good job, guys. Rest. All right. We've got one more of each move. Who's with me? Who's still with me? Good mornings. You guys feel those in your hamstrings yet? I do. Rest. Last one, bird dogs. Almost done. And go. Make sure you squeeze at the top, right there. Good squeeze. Almost done, guys. 5 seconds. And done. All right. For those who followed along, anybody's cores burning yet? So, I know when you think of core, you probably just think abs, right? Whenever anyone talks about their core, they pretty much just talking about they want a six-pack. Your core is actually a lot of muscles. It's your back, your glutes, your trunk, any of your trunk. And so when we work our core, we need to work everything, not just crunches for our abs, okay? Crunches aren't even, let's not even talk about crunches. So anyway, those were more compound movements, meaning multi-joint, multi-muscle. They're going to burn more calories and they're going to strengthen your core a lot faster. So thank you for joining me. Does anybody have any questions? I always leave room at the end. If anyone has any fitness or nutrition related questions that they want to ask me at the end, you can go ahead and do that. If not, I will be back on here tomorrow. You can check out my earlier scope I did this morning about keeping an awesome journal, because we all need to be reminded that we are awesome, right? Yes, you're awesome, I'm awesome, and we need to remember that. So go ahead and check out that scope that I did earlier today. It'll be up for, well, till tomorrow. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.